When it comes to choosing a water heater for your home, the decision can feel overwhelming. With so many brands and models on the market, how do you know which one is truly worth your investment? Two names that consistently stand out in the world of water heaters are A.O. Smith and Bradford White, both renowned for their quality, reliability, and innovative features. Whether you're upgrading your current system or installing a new one, these two brands offer top-tier solutions tailored to meet a wide range of needs. But which one is better for you? Today, I will dive deep into the key factors that matter most. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision and choose the perfect water heater for your home. So let's get started and uncover what makes A.O. Smith and Bradford White leaders in their field and which one deserves a spot in your utility room. Build quality. Both A.O. Smith and Bradford White are known for their exceptional build quality, but they achieve this through different approaches. A.O. Smith utilizes advanced materials such as corrosion-resistant stainless steel and glass-lined tanks to ensure durability. Their self-cleaning dip tubes prevent sediment buildup, which can damage the tank over time. Protective anode rods further enhance the lifespan of their water heaters by combating internal corrosion. Bradford White, on the other hand, employs its proprietary Vitriglass enamel lining, which provides superior protection against corrosion caused by hard water or other environmental factors. Additionally, their Hydrojet total performance system is designed to reduce sediment buildup by creating turbulence inside the tank during operation. This feature improves tank longevity and heating efficiency. Both brands excel in build quality, but A.O. Smith's advanced tank protection systems may offer a slight edge for users in areas with hard water. Performance. Performance is a crucial factor when choosing a water heater, especially for households with high hot water demand. A.O. Smith water heaters are known for their impressive flow rates, with some models delivering up to 10 gallons per minute (GPM). This makes them ideal for larger households or homes with multiple bathrooms that require simultaneous hot water usage. Additionally, A.O. Smith's heaters heat water quickly, reducing wait times. Bradford White water heaters also provide consistent performance, but tend to have lower flow rates compared to A.O. Smith models, around 4 to 6 GPM. However, they compensate for this with features like the Icon system, which ensures precise temperature control and reliable operation even under fluctuating conditions. A.O. Smith outperforms Bradford White in terms of flow rate and heating speed, making it better suited for high-demand households. Reliability. Reliability is a hallmark of both brands, as they are designed to last for years with proper maintenance. A.O. Smith heaters typically have an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years thanks to their self-cleaning technology and corrosion-resistant materials. Bradford White water heaters offer similar reliability and longevity, with their Hydrojet system playing a key role in reducing sediment buildup that could otherwise shorten the unit's lifespan. Ultimately, reliability depends not only on the brand but also on how well the unit is maintained over time. Regular flushing, replacing the anode rod every few years, and addressing minor issues promptly will ensure both brands perform optimally. Both A.O. Smith and Bradford White are equally reliable when maintained properly. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is an area where A.O. Smith shines brighter than Bradford White. Many of A.O. Smith's models feature advanced condensing technology that recycles heat from exhaust gases to improve efficiency significantly. Some models achieve energy factor, EF, ratings above 0.90, making them highly energy efficient and cost-effective in the long run. Bradford White also offers Energy Star certified models with EF ratings from 0.78 to 0.83. While these ratings are competitive, they fall slightly short compared to A.O. Smith's top-tier models. If energy efficiency is your priority, A.O. Smith has a clear advantage due to its condensing technology and higher EF ratings. Lifespan. Both brands have similar lifespans of 10 to 15 years when properly maintained, though environmental factors like water quality can influence longevity. hard water can cause scaling inside the tank or on heating elements, potentially shortening the lifespan of any unit regardless of brand. A.O. Smith's self-cleaning dip tubes help mitigate these issues by reducing sediment buildup over time, while Bradford White's Hydrojet system achieves similar results through turbulence inside the tank. Lifespan is comparable between the two brands. Regular maintenance is key to maximizing longevity. Special features. A.O. Smith incorporates several innovative features into its products to enhance usability and efficiency. These include self-cleaning dip tubes that minimize sediment buildup, digital displays for easy monitoring of temperature settings and diagnostics on premium models, and advanced condensing technology that improves energy savings. Bradford White focuses on practical innovations such as the Hydrojet system for sediment reduction and the Icon system for precise temperature control and diagnostics. Their Eco Defender safety system reduces heat loss while improving safety during operation. Both brands offer unique features tailored to different needs. However, A.O. Smith's digital controls and condensing technology may appeal more to tech-savvy users looking for cutting-edge solutions. Maintenance. Maintenance requirements are similar for both brands, but differ slightly in execution due to their unique features. A.O. Smith water heaters require regular flushing to remove sediment buildup and periodic replacement of anode rods every 3 to 5 years to prevent corrosion inside the tank. Bradford White makes maintenance easier with its Hydrojet system, which actively reduces sediment buildup during normal operation without requiring additional user effort. This feature can save homeowners time and effort compared to manual flushing routines required by other brands. Bradford White's maintenance-friendly features give it a slight edge over A.O. Smith in terms of convenience. Warranty. Warranty coverage varies between models for both brands, but generally favors A.O. Smith in terms of duration and flexibility. A.O. Smith offers warranties ranging from 6 to 15 years, depending on the model tier, with labor costs covered during the first year for select units. Bradford White provides warranties ranging from 6 to 10 years on most models, with extended warranties available at purchase for added peace of mind. A.O. Smith offers longer warranties on select models, making it a better choice if warranty coverage is important to you. Price. Pricing is often a deciding factor when choosing between these two brands. A.O. Smith water heaters typically have higher upfront costs ranging from $500 to $3,000, depending on model type, tank versus tankless, and capacity size, 40 to 75 gallons. However, their superior energy efficiency reduces operational costs over time, making them more cost-effective in the long run. Bradford White water heaters are generally more affordable upfront, starting at around $400 and going up to $2,500 depending on specifications and capacity size. While operational costs may be slightly higher due to lower energy efficiency ratings compared to A.O. Smith's top-tier models, they remain a budget-friendly option overall. If upfront cost is your priority, Bradford White offers more affordable options. However, if long-term savings matter more, A.O. Smith may be worth the investment due to its energy-efficient designs. So, which is better? Choosing between A.O. Smith and Bradford White ultimately comes down to your specific needs. Choose A.O. Smith if you prioritize cutting-edge technology like condensing systems for energy efficiency or digital controls for ease of use. Opt for Bradford White if you're looking for affordability upfront or maintenance-friendly features like the Hydrojet system that simplify upkeep without sacrificing performance. Both brands are excellent options that deliver reliable hot water solutions. Your decision should align with your household size, budget constraints, energy-saving goals, and long-term priorities.